It's summertime and your pool looks perfect, but is the water hot or cold? So let's look at this product. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. I'm today's host Matthew, and today we're going to be taking a look at this BaldrTherm pool sensor right here. This is a digital pool thermometer. You'll be able to tell if your water is perfect or just a little too cold. But as you know, in every episode of Good Tech Cheap, we do a full unboxing and review. So let's get into it. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. This is the BaldrTherm pool sensor right here. This is a digital thermometer for your pool. IPX7, two-side large display, solar panel supply. Whoa. Well, let's open it up. One of the first things you see in the box is this QR code that you can scan. It gives you that 3-year warranty and all that support information that you need if you got any questions. But super cool for the thank you. And then we're going to get into the user manual right here. It's just going to give us some instructions on getting everything set up so that you don't have any problems and you can get the most out of your device. This little string right here is included just in case you don't want your solar thermometer to just float away. So very nice. And now the thermometer itself. Whoa, look at this thing. This feels very, very sturdy right here. Super nice. It feels high quality. So as you can see right here, there are two sides of this panel, so you should be able to see that temperature no matter where you're at right there. And there's easy ways to set it so that it can go back between Celsius and Fahrenheit, so that's awesome. I mean, look right there, toggle switch. Whoa. Nice. Well, let's go ahead and try it out. This is the BaldrTherm floating pool digital thermometer. Self-sustaining solar design, the built-in solar panel delivers non-stop power, eliminating battery changes and maintenance of this digital pool thermometer. Accurate and always up to date. With its advanced sensor technology, this pool thermometer provides precise temperature measurements and it's updated every 5 seconds. With fog-resistant and waterproof construction, the swimming pool thermometer is IPX7 rated and features ultrasonic sealing to prevent fogging and ensure durability even in heated water environments. Clear dual display is designed for easy viewing. This floating pool thermometer features two large high contrast screens readable from any position in or around the water. And with one touch Fahrenheit to Celsius conversion, you can effortlessly switch between Fahrenheit and Celsius with a single button to match your preferred temperature scale. It looks like BaldrTherm has done it right once again. As you know, we've reviewed some of their stuff in the past when it comes to thermometers and checking temperatures, and everything that they make is just so amazing and high quality. I gotta say, BaldrTherm, wow, great job. As you know, we've worked with BaldrTherm several times in the past, and all of their products are just so nice. They're like an expert when it comes to thermometers. So we wanted to give a huge shout out to BaldrTherm for sponsoring this video. You can find all their links down below. Don't forget, I've been today's host Matthew, and you've been watching Good Tech Cheap. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next review. Bye!